What's up guys, my name is Legend and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, a video that has been requested quite a lot over the past few years since I owned this bike, and it is, what is the top speed on this bike? So today I'm going to make a video, top speed in every single gear. Not that the first few gears are that important or spectacular, but oh well. Now it doesn't help that my rear tire is flat, but we'll see what we can do. I mean, it's not flat, it's just a little bit low. There's a rock that penetrated my rear tire. And I know you guys want to see me and Mauro in the shed working on shit. But it's exams, I'm actually on my way to school right now, so I don't have a lot of time. So that's why I've been making more of these kinds of videos the past few weeks. But once the exams are over, man, it's miserable weather. Once the exams are over, you'll guys see some more pit bike videos, some more PBR videos, and hopefully I can start working on the Honda CB Cafe Racer. Now, if you do not like seeing people banging the rev limiter, then this video might not be for you. I don't like it either. I'm just gonna do it for once to show you guys the top speed in every gear. I'm on my way to school. It's a freaking Sunday, by the way. It's a Sunday. I'm on my way to school. Alright, this is first gear. So that was 135. The highest I ever got was 138, depending on the weather conditions a little bit. And with this slightly flat tire, you should expect anywhere between 135 and 140 on this bike. I hit those speeds quite consistently. And with some slight modifications, you can actually push this bike quite easily. I'll post some clips in the video of my friend. We did some modifications to his bike and he hit 150 or like 152 quite easily on stock engine, stock sprocket, just some fuel mapping changes and stuff like that. These bikes are quite easily tunable. I should have aired up my tire before I left. I should have been able to hit 138, but I mean, that's just a small difference. These bikes are tunable quite easy. They're really popular, so there's a lot of stuff available on the market. What we did to his bike was a K&N air filter, a Krapovic exhaust, and then play with the fuel map and stuff a little bit, and he was able to hit 152. His fucking key tag, like mine, was like flopping right here, so it's difficult to see the speedo a little bit. I think you can see a 146 on the speedo, but he was able to hit 152 without laying down as well. He was sitting up straight, so that's crazy. So as you could see, he hit 146 in that clip. So 135, like 138 range is pretty good for a stock 4-stroke in my opinion. I've been thinking about like tuning my bike as well, like we did to my friend's bike, because on the highway it's nice to have that extra power. But I mean, I don't know, we'll see. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.